Hey foodies, and welcome back to Cooking with Kiana. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get juicy, super flavorful, oven baked chicken, and it's also going to have a nice honey garlic taste to it. So let's get started. So here are the seasonings that I'm going to be using for my chicken. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of Lawrys seasoning salt, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, a half a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of complete seasoning, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and 1 teaspoon of rosemary. You're also going to need about 4 tablespoons of olive oil or butter, 1/4 of a cup of fresh cilantro, 1 sazon packet, and then I'm going to be using 5 cloves of garlic. Do not use minced garlic. You already know if you watch my videos. And 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And I'm also going to be using a tablespoon of honey, and this is going to give it a nice honey garlic taste. All right, so first we're going to start off by taking the bowl of 4 tablespoons of oil, and we're going to add our 1 tablespoon of honey to that. After we're done adding in that honey, go ahead and add in that fresh garlic as well as the brown sugar. And then we're going to add in that sazon packet. Next, we're going to go ahead and add in all of those seasonings. And then last, we're going to add in the fresh cilantro. Now just go ahead and get you a spoon, spatula, whatever, and just go ahead and mix everything all together. And as you can see, it's going to form like a paste-like consistency. This is perfect. That way, when we season up our chicken, everything can be well distributed all over. And for the chicken, what I like to do to get my chicken nice and juicy and well flavored throughout, I like to cut about 3 to 4 slits in my chicken. That way, that marinade can really penetrate in there. So as you can see, I'm using 2 leg quarters. I'm also going to use a chicken breast as well. So you're just going to go ahead and slice that the same way. If you guys are enjoying this recipe so far, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you could become a part of the foodie family and you don't miss weekly recipes. All right, so now you want to go ahead and transfer that chicken into a large bowl, and we're going to add in all of that marinade. Then go in with clean hands or gloves and make sure you really massage that chicken. Make sure you get inside all of them slits. Make sure you pull back that skin and get up under the skin as well. We don't want no part of this chicken going unseasoned. Now we're going to go ahead and cover this with some saran wrap, and we're going to place this in the fridge for at least 3 hours, but if you can, do overnight. All right, so once that's done marinating, you're going to go ahead and get you a baking sheet. Add a little bit of oil and just massage that into the bottom of the pan. If you have any marinade left over in the bottom, make sure you drizzle that over the top. That's going to give our chicken lots of flavor. So now we're going to go ahead and pop this in the oven on 350 for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, you want to take that out, and we're going to baste it with that sauce that it has made on the bottom. This is going to help infuse it with that flavor. After we're done brushing it, we're going to pop this back in the oven on broil, on high, for about 1 to 3 minutes, depending on how brown and crispy you would like your chicken to be. Now once you take that out the oven, you're going to go ahead and baste that one more time just to make sure you really infuse all of that marinade inside of it. Make sure that marinade gets in between those slits as well, because that's going to make the chicken so juicy and flavorful. I done probably said that word about 5 times, but I'm telling you, once you guys try this recipe, you guys will not eat baked chicken any other way. Just look at how juicy and glistening that chicken is. Just look at that when you open that up. And it was just so easy to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.